welcome back. So we did keep cloudy skies, made our way through the morning hours, and more sunshine going into the afternoon. We did have a strong southerly flow, so temperatures did get up there. We're currently at our high for the day today, which is 61 degrees so far, and that is about where we should be this time of year. Average high is 60. Currently outside in North Platte, do have winds east around 8 miles per hour and a dew point of 33. So cool air is making its way in with that easterly flow, eventually flipping around to a northerly direction tonight. So temperatures out toward Ogallala and Imperial only 45 to 50 degrees. That was the cool spot. 61 in Broken Bow and mid to upper 50s from Hyannis and out toward the Thedford area, with the winds flipping around from a southerly direction to more of a northeasterly flow as cooler air starts to work its way in. Wind speeds right now around 5 to 15 miles per hour across the region, but we think they're going to increase as we go through later on tonight just a little. Now, here's a look at the weather alerts. We do have a winter weather advisory for our viewing area, only in effect for Cherry County. Some of the snow over the next 48 hours could accumulate up in that direction, but most of it looks to be in the portions of South Dakota. So there could be some slippery roads, especially as you make your way north toward the South Dakota border. Here's a look at the satellite and radar across the region. Now, we do have a low pressure system just off to our south and off to our east, and that's producing some moisture out in that direction. But over us right now, our eastern counties do have some cloud cover with clearer skies off to the west. Actually, we do have the possibility of some thunderstorms as we go through this evening, basically from Broken Bow and Lexington and off to the east, and a marginal risk of severe weather, meaning one or two storms could produce hail large enough to spark off a warning, although we think that that is going to be basically a little further east of our viewing area, basically out toward the Tri-Cities, maybe even approaching Lincoln, but there is a possibility, so watch out into our eastern counties. Low pressure system is pretty strong. It's going to come right over us, and then on the backside, we'll have more moisture across the region. So let's take a look at the skycast as we go through the rest of the evening. Temperatures quickly falling back through the 40s. You can see the thunderstorm activity. Still, it looks like it's mainly east of our viewing area, east of Broken Bow and Lexington. Just be aware the possibility does exist. Now, we do have rain changing over to snow as we go through the overnight into tomorrow morning, especially into the Sandhills from Thedford up toward Valentine. And as we make our way through to tomorrow afternoon, some of those light snow showers could get as far south as I-80, but most of us staying dry. Heavy and steady snow through the day as you make your way up toward South Dakota. High temperatures for tomorrow only near 40 degrees, and then we start off Saturday on the cool side, but clear mid-20s, turn into highs back into the lower 60s with a good amount of sunshine. Here's what it looks like on the wide maps. There's that low over us. On the backside, there's the rain and snow shower chances, but most of the snow misses us off to the north, out toward South Dakota. And then as we go through the weekend, we do have high pressure in charge of our forecast, so back to a nice sunny pattern, and temperatures on their way up after a cool day for tomorrow with those rain and snow shower chances. For the weekend, mid to upper 60s, partly cloudy skies by Sunday. Could be a little windy on Monday, a high of 57 with partly cloudy skies. Tuesday, another wintry system makes its way through. High temperatures into the mid-30s, and we stay in the mid-30s with sunshine as we go through Wednesday, with only lower 40s for next Thursday. Kent?
Next week, that cooler weather, we just can't seem to escape that.
Yeah, we can't get rid of the cool or even the rain snow chances through next week.
All right, thanks so much, Justin. And Goldman Sachs says up to $300 million